video.
Dad,
can you open this?
Whoa, that was a loud one.
Dad, can you open it for me?
No, I cannot.
Alright, here's the first one I got.
What?
Okay. There we go. So that, it smells. Alright, next is the thing. Snap.
Dad. Think up. Think up.
Don't touch my stuff. Don't touch it.
Smells bad.
Don't touch it.
Nick, you're going in and out of the light.
Oh, there we go.
Look at this. Goodbye,
They
Jay.
just go boom. They throw them on the ground.
Nick, can I stop?
Hold on, there's one more thing we got here.
Dad, are you going?
Stop.
Dad, did you get my popcorn?
I.
Because yeah, another bird.
Oh, skip on one. These ones are the hard ones to use. Oh, they finally fixed that problem of them burning it.
Yeah.
That's good. Whoa!
That was a nice fart.
Whoa, that one stunk.
It burned
Okay,
the
can I
rope.
stop?
Yeah, you